News out of Washington this midday, where opening statements just finished in former President Donald Trump's hush money trial. You're looking at a live picture outside the courtroom. Prosecutors say Mr. Trump orchestrated a criminal scheme to corrupt the 2016 presidential election. His attorneys are calling him innocent. Thanks for joining us this midday. I'm Dia Wall. This is the first of Mr. Trump's 4 indictments to go to trial, and the first criminal trial against a former U.S. president. ABC's Rena Roy reports from outside the courthouse in Manhattan.
This is a big day for both sides. They're getting their first chance to present their case to the jury. And it's also a first for Americans. Never before have we seen a former president being prosecuted for an alleged crime.
Today, opening statements in Donald Trump's historic hush money payment trial. The former president slamming the case as he walked into court.
What's going on right here should never be happening. It's a very, very sad day in America, I can tell you that.
Inside the courtroom, Trump relegated to silence as both sides make their cases to the jury for the first time. Prosecutors have said this trial is about whether the defendant, Donald Trump, broke the law in falsifying business records to cover up an agreement with others to unlawfully influence the 2016 presidential election. Trump's defense team argues he relied on lawyers to arrange the $130,000 payment to adult film actress Stormy Daniels to keep her from revealing their alleged affair. Trump has long denied her claim of a sexual encounter.
I was paying a lawyer and marked it down as a legal expense. Some accountant, I didn't know, marked it down as a legal expense. That's exactly what it was.
According to 2 sources familiar with the matter, the first witness prosecutors plan to call is former National Enquirer publisher David Pecker. The Manhattan District Attorney saying Pecker agreed to act as the eyes and ears of the 2016 Trump campaign to look out for and kill negative stories about Trump. Stormy Daniels also expected to testify along with Michael Cohen, Trump's former fixer, who wired her the hush money. Trump, who has denied wrongdoing and pleaded not guilty, says he may testify too.
No, I'm testifying. I tell the truth. I mean, all I can do is tell the truth.
A jury of 7 men and 5 women will decide Trump's fate. Jurors include 2 native New Yorkers and 2 immigrants. 7 jurors have advanced degrees. 1 praised Trump's outspokenness. Another called him selfish. All promised to be fair and impartial. The trial expected to last about 6 weeks.
Juror number 9 did have some concerns about serving today, but ultimately is staying on the case. Court is breaking earlier than expected because of another juror's medical issue. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.
Mr. Trump and his legal team left the courtroom after opening statements about 30 minutes ago. He didn't make any statements in the hallway. The judge has returned to the courtroom after a quick recess.